Electric two-wheelers are transforming the way we move. But to truly succeed, they need smarter motor control, longer battery life, faster charging, and advanced safety features. That's where Microchip's electric two-wheeler ecosystem comes in, addressing the biggest challenges and helping designers bring innovation to the road faster. Smooth acceleration, efficient power delivery, and reliable regenerative braking are critical for performance. Microchip's traction motor control solution, powered by DS-PIC digital signal controllers and 32-bit MCUs, delivers precise field-oriented control that reduces torque ripple and improves efficiency, while intelligent gate drivers add built-in fault protection and overcurrent safeguards. Battery performance defines range and reliability. Our battery management system uses ultra-precise analog-to-digital converters for accurate cell voltage readings, ensuring optimal balancing and extended battery life. Secure communication via CAN-FD and LIN makes integration with the rest of the vehicle seamless. Nobody wants long charging downtime. Microchip solutions enable intelligent charging with dual-port power distribution and high-precision power factor correction for maximum efficiency. And with 48-volt to 12-volt conversion, auxiliary systems run with minimal energy loss. Safety and security are essential. Microchip's acoustic vehicle alerting system ensures pedestrians hear silent vehicles. Secure ECC-based authentication protects against theft, while hands-off detection keeps riders in control. These features work together to protect both rider and community. Today's riders expect smart features. Microchip's instrument cluster solution delivers high-speed graphics, real-time diagnostics, wireless connectivity, and over-the-air updates. From energy tracking to smartphone integration, it redefines the rider experience. Energy-efficient LED lighting is another must-have. Our automotive taillight reference design features adaptive brightness, advanced drivers, and thermal protection, delivering durability and efficiency while meeting safety standards. From motor control and battery management to charging, safety, and smart connectivity, Microchip provides the core technologies for next-generation electric two-wheelers. Explore our ecosystem today. It's the key to building smarter, safer, and more efficient electric vehicles.